Going over to Corona warriors who've been fighting this battle for us on the front lines. The armed forces now is all set to pay a special tribute to the frontline workers battling the novel coronavirus outbreak in the country. In a grand display of gratitude to lakhs of Corona warriors, the Indian Armed Forces will conduct flypasts, light up ships at sea, play military bands and shower flower petals on hospitals treating coronavirus patients. This will happen today between 10 and 10:30 a.m. The announcement was made by Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat at a press conference on Friday. And on the same lines, the Indian Navy has planned a series of activities to express solidarity with frontline Corona warriors. Indian naval aviation assets would shower petals by helicopters on hospitals treating COVID-19 patients in Mumbai, Goa, Kochi and Vizag between 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. In the evening, naval vessels on the coast of Mumbai, Porbandar, Karwar, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Kochi and Port Blair will be illuminated to honor efforts of Corona warriors. As many as 46 Indian Coast Guard ships will fire green flares and sound ship siren at 25 locations. Additionally, the naval air stations at Goa would display human chain messages on the runway, preparing for today's activities. Indian Navy conducted rehearsals in Mumbai and Visakhapatnam on Saturday. Indian Coast Guard ships were also seen illuminated in Thiruvananthapuram.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.